welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Shalom Wanjiro, and today's video we are going to be discussing about, not even actually discussing, I'm going to be showing you guys a few things that I have learned as a first time mom and a few essentials that I should have for this past few months. I mean in the first few weeks. For right now I'm at 8 weeks postpartum, and yeah, there are a few things that I've realized that I need, and they are very essential for myself and part of them for the baby as well. So the first one I will begin with is the nipple cream. This nipple cream is very important for your nipples. You just apply a small amount on your nipples to avoid them being dry. It helps to moisturize the nipple, because you know the breast milk and the saliva of the baby make the nipple very dry, and it's good when you apply this for the next session of your breastfeeding. It will help you to not feel pain and you get to enjoy it. So this is how it looks like, guys. The content that is very needed here is lanolin, which helps with the moisturization of the nipple. The product is white in color and it doesn't affect the baby whatsoever, and my gynecologist actually recommended this, which is it has been a lifesaver. Number two is this is called Sudocrem. It's very good for the baby's skin, especially on the thighs. It helps to prevent diaper rash or even eczema, and also here it's indicated sunburn or minor burns or acne. So I use this one to apply my baby's thighs. That is like once in a week or twice in a week, just to prevent the diaper rash in case there happens to be any, and I haven't seen. And it's very good and effective. It's actually white in color, as you can see, and the only amount you need is a very small amount, because it spreads evenly and then it disappears. Then the other thing that you should have is baby oil for your baby after showering. It's good for moisturizing your baby's skin, even if it's very sensitive and soft. It's good to keep it moisturized instead of it being dry. Plus babies enjoy a very good massage after showering, and yeah, it helps them sleep. It helps distribute blood circulation all over the body. Yeah, it makes them comfortable. So for small babies it's good to have liquid oil, and try to avoid creams, or yes, try to avoid solid oils. Yes, try to avoid solid oils. The other thing that you should have is nursing pads. This thing has really helped me a lot, especially with the excess milk, because it soaks excess milk to make it not to stain your clothes. But if you have excess milk and you're at home, it's very good to just express it. You never know when your baby will need more milk, and the more you express, the more milk your baby will have later on. So this is how it looks. These ones are washable ones, and there are also those ones that are disposable. I prefer washable just to save money, but you know, if you feel like you'd want to get the disposable ones, they are also fine. Then the other thing I would suggest you get are disposable nappy sacks. These ones are very good for, especially when you are traveling or when you're out and about with your baby and then you need to change your baby. The diaper, you just get to put it in one of the paper bags that are provided. As unfortunately mine have finished, I should get more, that's why I kept the box. But also you can get biohazard safety disposable bags from Quick Mart. They are yellow in color, and they go for not more than 700 shillings. I use that one for carrying dirty diapers, so that I can be able to throw them when they are intact. I don't have to mix them with the other, you know, the kitchen garbage. So yeah, it's good also, you know, it's good to be safe and clean. Yeah, you never know what might get into the garbage bin. Then the other thing is the baby kit. I love this because it has everything that you need, and also everything that a baby needs, especially if you want to groom your baby. So actually it has a comb, a brush, a very soft brush. I use it to brush my baby's hair when she's showering. And also it has a comb, has a very soft toothbrush which yet you can't use until they have teeth. And then there's a thermometer. There's also a nail file which is here. This is a nail cutter. This is pair of scissors. These other things, I don't know what they are. They look like droppers or something like that, suctions. Yes, but I find this to be very good. You should get one. You should really get one. You never know when you will need it. Yes. The other thing that you should also get, especially for the first few days after you've come from hospital, I know you will be given surgical spirit, or if you won't be given, it's good you have one. This one will help you to clean the umbilical cord of the baby until it falls off. It helps to prevent bacterial or even bacterial infections or even germs. And yes, once the umbilical cord falls off, you can continue using it until the surgical spirit is over, or you can stop. But for myself, I was given this at the hospital where I got my baby, and yes, I had been using it and I'm still using it to keep it clean. Yep, clean baby, happy baby, right? Then the other thing, when you are washing your baby, it's good to have a soft washcloths for to just go in there, especially when you are washing your baby. You know, they have so many valleys, hills and valleys, because they are starting to become fatty. So it's good to have this so that you can also, they get to enjoy it. It's very soft and they are very small, as you can see. The ones I have, they came in different colors. From let me show you. It's called Bear Club. I don't know where this is. It was a gift I was given. And yep, anyway, you can get soft washcloths. It's very good, and you will need them. You never know how and when you'll need them. Yes, for that, the last thing I would like to show you guys is a nursing pillow. That one is for helping you to carry the baby easily when you're breastfeeding. And for me, this is what I have. This is how it looks. You just put it around your waist, and then the baby gets to lie here, and then you enjoy your breastfeeding, and the baby will be very comfortable. What else have I missed? I haven't missed anything else. So in case you would like to know anything else, you can write on your in the comment sections below. And also I will highlight, I'm so sorry guys, I will highlight everything that I have mentioned in the video in the description box, so that you can get to know exactly what you need. And in case you didn't hear of anything, you can also refer to there. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and feel free to watch other videos that I have posted. Yeah, see you guys. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, share and comment. And also you can share, comment, and yeah, that's what they say, right? But remember to subscribe, guys, subscribe. Thank you, and have a wonderful day, and God is real, guys. Keep it cool. Bye.